Bro, there's a lot of coins claiming they can give 1000x profit. The latest? Pepe Heimer. They say it's a combination of Pepe the Frog, Layer 2, and AI. Very complete, right? But are you sure that's a real opportunity or just a trap for FOMO hunters? Let me tell you one thing. I've seen many pre-sales like this, and the pattern is always the same. Stay until the 7th minute, bro. I'll give you 3 red flags for the pre-sale project that you must avoid so you don't get caught. I'm not anti-meme coin, bro. I actually like the vibe of the community, which is lively and creative. But you have to understand, meme coins are like stand-up comedy in the crypto world. Funny at first, but not everyone might be laughing in the end. Pepe Heimer is really popular in the community right now. Many are sharing the presale links, claiming it's been audited by solid proof, it's safe. But an audit isn't a safety certificate. An audit just says the contract is working, not trustworthy. And behind that audit, there's one thing that immediately made me raise a red flag. You'll see later. Let me explain the context first, bro. Pepe Heimer is a project that supposedly originated on the Ethereum network, using the ERC20 token standard. They claim to have prepared a Layer 2 system combined with AI technology to optimize yield. In other words, they want to create a new way for your investments to automatically generate maximum returns. On paper, this combination looks really impressive. A cute Pepe paired with advanced technology like a Marvel version of crypto. Funny but genius. But you know how it is in the crypto world. Everyone can make a white paper that sounds like rocket science. Anyone can hire designers to create a shiny website, animated charts, tidy tokenomics, colorful roadmaps. The only thing that can't be faked is real results. Because building a crypto project isn't just about writing ideas, it's about creating a product that actually works and a community that lasts. I've seen hundreds of projects that looked great at the start, but once the hype faded, the community disbanded like concert goers who realized their tickets are fake. So basically, bro, Pepe Heimer might look cool now, but their true value will only be seen later. Can they deliver? Or are they just selling dreams? Did you know? Out of all the coins claiming to combine AI plus Layer 2 plus meme, 90% disappear before even listing. Now let's discuss the first thing that people often overlook during presale, bro. Token supply. I checked the data on CoinSniper, and you know what I saw? 100% of the tokens are still held by a single wallet address. It's like investing in a business, but all the shares are still owned by one person. You're only given promises, but not the actual shares. What does that mean? The project creator can sell at any time, bro. Imagine they've raised funds from thousands of people, then suddenly sell all the tokens on the market. You can't do anything because there's no rule preventing them. And the scariest part, your chart will look like a steep downhill slope, red from top to bottom. So, if you see pre-sale live on the website, don't get too excited. It sounds cool, but it only means one thing. You're buying tokens that don't have a market yet. No liquidity, no second buyers. You're only buying promises and hopes. And if the project doesn't continue, your money will be stuck there. Not for a day or two, but possibly forever. I'm not saying all presales are scams, but you must be aware. Presale is not the gateway to crypto heaven, but a field of divine level speculation. But bro, this red flag is just the beginning. The next one is more dangerous because many people are unaware. Secondly, crazy promotions. You've probably seen it a lot, bro. Promises that sound really cool. 1000x profit guaranteed. First ever AI meme coin. Layer 2 of the future. Sound impressive, right? But all of these are classic templates in the crypto world. If you've been in the market long enough, you'll realize almost all projects that eventually disappear start with slogans like those. Serious projects don't waste time shouting, "We're going to the moon." They focus on showing results. They have a clear roadmap, a real team, verifiable partnerships. They prefer to show results rather than show off. And do you know why many people still get caught? Because such promotions play on emotions, not logic. They give you the illusion that you can get rich quickly, even though the project itself might not last a week. Remember, bro, hype is like fireworks. Bright, spectacular, everyone's eyes are on it. But only for a moment. Once the ashes fall, all that's left is darkness and regret. I already promised at the beginning. At the 7th minute, I give you 3 red signs that you must memorize. We'll get to that soon. Third, this is the most often overlooked but most dangerous, bro. The team behind the project is unclear. You visit the website, no founder's name, no LinkedIn profile, no photos, no proof they are real people, just a logo and random avatars from the internet. In the crypto world, anonymity is common, but anonymity without transparency is a big red flag. I don't mind projects using pseudonyms as long as the community is active, open source, and there is moral responsibility behind it. But if everything is a mystery, unknown developers, vague roadmap, audits just a formality, it's a sign they only want your money, not your trust. And this is a very classic pattern, bro. They operate in the pre-sale phase, gather funds, make sweet promises, then disappear along with all your expectations. That's why it's very important to see who stands behind the project. Crypto is about a trustless system, but you still need trustworthy people. You can be anonymous, but don't be blind. Because if you don't know who you trust, how can you get angry when everything collapses? So remember, bro, technology can make blockchain transparent, but it can't make people's intentions honest. So, bro, the 3 red flags of a fake presale project are 1. Supply is locked in one wallet. 2. Marketing is bigger than the product. And 3. The team is unclear and the roadmap is empty. So what's the lesson, bro? Presale is not a sin. I never said that. But you have to know, presale is a gambling arena disguised as an opportunity. That doesn't mean you can't join, but you must be aware that you're playing at the same table as the dealer. And in a world like this, bro, the ones in control are not you. If you want to get in, do so with a clear head. Make sure you understand the risks and never use grocery money, your child's school fees, or next week's salary. Because presale is only suitable for one type of person, someone who can still smile when they lose. Personally, I wouldn't buy coins like this on installment. I'd rather accumulate Bitcoin or Ethereum, 2 assets that are tested, have a solid ecosystem, a global community, and real liquidity. They've weathered storms, crashes, FUD, but still stand. That's what I look for. A foundation, not a fantasy. Here's a simple analogy, bro. If you're going to build a house, choose to buy land in a location that already has roads, electricity, and neighbors, or choose in the middle of the forest, which is said to be very potential, but you have to wait 10 years for it to get busy. Well, that's the difference between buying BTC and a hype presale coin. One gives you peace of mind, the other makes your heart race every time you open the chart. But this is not the end, bro. There is a safe way to support a channel like this without spending money on strange tokens. If you agree with our mission to educate the community so they don't fall for hype, help share this video with your friends who are FOMOing on presale. And if you want to support this channel in a legal and safe way, you can check the affiliate link in the description. Cool crypto and tech products on Shopee for those of you who want to look like real investors, and GoLogin, the tool I use to protect privacy and manage multiple accounts securely. I've put the link below. Take control of your online privacy. Try GoLogin for free plus, get 2 GB residential proxies, and a 40% discount. See you in the next video, bro. And remember, in crypto, knowledge is profit.